What's happening, guys? I am quite frankly exhausted right now. I just got the Kia Soul back. It took 2 hours of rearranging this Buick, taking all the stuff from that car and putting it into this one. And obviously when you live in a vehicle, you have only a limited amount of space to work with, meaning everything has its spot. Everything needs to go exactly where it's supposed to. And after 3 weeks of living in a different vehicle, I almost forgot where everything went in this one. Which is crazy because I've been living out of this car now for 2 years, but still had to think, took a lot of energy, took a lot of motivation. And that's why right now for this video, I sound like a sack of potatoes. I'm cooked, bro. I'm a baked potato. But I want to say something meaningful. I want to say something that I learned from this whole process. I think you guys can apply it in your own lives. When this car was hit, when I was rear-ended in Arizona by the cowboy, my worst fears were instantly realized. Obviously, if you live in a vehicle, the worst thing that can happen to you is losing your vehicle, because that's not only your home, it's your mode of transportation, it's your lifestyle, it's basically all your eggs in one basket. And when those eggs get cracked, you're not sure how the scramble is going to turn out. And that's the position I found myself in. I was really worried. But look, dude, I got through it. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Living in a car wasn't horrible. I slept well, things went well, and I developed a routine nonetheless. And I'm using that now to get through the next challenge, which is obviously this whole engine thing. I don't know if this car is going to be taken from me again, this time for 3 months instead of 3 weeks. I have no idea. But because of this experience, I know one thing, and that's that I'm going to get through it. I'm a lot stronger than I think I am sometimes. I can get creative, I can figure problems out, and come up with a solution that works. And I hope you guys know that you're the same way. We're all human in this sense that challenges are inevitable, but solutions are possible. And when you have that mindset, you can look at everything that you face in life with a sense of optimism. Because you know what? At the end of that challenge, you're going to come out stronger, and you're going to have faced a fear that you thought maybe was not something you could overcome. And then you can use that going forward. So whatever you guys are facing, whether it's a breakup, a financial situation, whatever it may be, just know that the only option is to get through it. Whether it's pretty or not doesn't really matter. Because at the end of it, you're going to have that under your belt. You're going to have one more tool in your shop that you can use. And I hope you guys use this. I hope you know this. I think it's something we all experience and that we all maybe intuitively know, but sometimes don't think about in the moment. Just realize that you are stronger than you think you are, and you're going to come up with a solution no matter what. And that's where I'm at today. I know I'm downtrodden, exhausted, and weak, but I hope that I'm saying something of value here. At the very least, it's awesome to have my car back. I'm looking forward to going surfing tomorrow. So you know what? We're all going through tunnels, but like any tunnel, there's an end of it, and there's usually light there. Just know that, bro. You're gonna get through it, man. We all do. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully in the Kia again, but we'll see. Maybe I'll be in Wisconsin. I don't know, bro. This shit is wild. Later, guys.